UFine offers a wide variety of life-size bronze horse sculptures, both wild and domesticated. And we could cast large bronze horse decorations for the most famous gardens around the world. We have selected over 100 bronze horse sculpture products. There is always a bronze horse sculpture at the UFine factory that would please you and suit your style. Our bronze horse sculptures could be customized in size and color to your liking. Be it large bronze horse sculptures, metal horse heads, jumping horses, or Pegasus. Be it large bronze horse sculptures, bronze horse heads, jumping horses, or Pegasus. UFine bronze horse sculptures would be the centerpiece of the decorated location. Welcome to contact us.